Hey Dan, so this is the issue I was having with the Salesforce connector. So I pulled up an email I got from someone that we have associated with an opportunity. When I click the Salesforce view button, what I see is he's related to, obviously his contact record and his account record. But if I go into his contact record, clearly this contact record is related to this opportunity. And the hope was that we would have opportunities showing up um, below people and accounts. It does, and it has done that for in the past. So it seems a little confusing when it chooses to show opportunities or not to show opportunities. And even here, we're getting kind of a weird thing where when we opened it up, it showed the accounts that it was related to, but now after I've navigated back from it, it no longer shows it. See if I can just open it again. Yeah, see now the account is back. Yeah, in general, the big concern we're having is that we want to make sure that the opportunities that contact is related to will show up in this Salesforce Outlook pane. All right, thanks.